All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. Welcome to the channel. And here, what we like to do is we find ways to make money online, and then we pass those on to you. So the whole channel is about training. We've got a lot of different series in here, training how to run some different systems, and we go over the exact steps to do so. And we do that so that we can enable people to be able to have more free time, more freedom, and be able to leave that 9 to 5 rat race if that's what they're looking for. They can be their own boss and they can work from anywhere they want. So today what you've landed on is our daily Clickbank series. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month, step by step with Clickbank. All we're doing with this series is we are using a copy and paste email system. That is it. That's the only traffic that we're running to it. No organic leads are coming in, no paid advertising, anything like that. This is all we're doing for this series. And we have some other series on here. We do more advertising than that. And you can check those out and you can see how we do that. This series here's our brand new one. Going over a brand new product we just started and how to set that up. Things are going really well with it. We have a great team going. So get in here, check it out, see what you think. The sooner the better, because it is just exploding. All right, guys. So as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd sure appreciate it if you would. So give us a subscribe. If you like this video, please leave us a like on it. It helps us out. And let's jump over to Clickbank and look at some stats. Now today we are starting a brand new promotion. So today is day 41, and we're going to start with a brand new promotion today. So these have been every 20 days. And the next one looks very similar to the ones we've already ran. So we're going to check that out here in just a second. I'm going to go in there as soon as we pull some stats here. All right, so today we had 200 clicks to our link. And we haven't sent emails out yet. Those are all from residual emails still coming in. Or, still going out. So with the two promotions that we ran, the first 40 days, we saw a total of 12,114 clicks to our link. So at least those people were interested enough to click our link and see what it was about. And we have seen 99 visits to our checkout page. All right. 6 of those have turned into sales for $103.19. So right now we're at a 26% conversion rate. Hopefully, as we go, we will see that come up. We'll definitely find out. We always check these stats. Stats are key in this business. You always want to know where you stand and what your stats are looking like so that you can make some kind of tweaks if you want. Now, what I do on some of the other systems that I run, I'll go in and tweak them to, maybe it's a small change, maybe it's a bigger change, maybe I need to change a traffic source, things like that. But since we're only running one traffic source on these promotions, it makes it easy because we check it right in here. We can check it in MLGS as well. We can check those stats, but this gives us pretty good stats for what we need. All right. So we have had 12 upsell impressions. So we've had 12 visits to those pages. No conversions on upsells as of yet, but we're just going to keep on sending these out, and we're going to keep on going from promotion to promotion to see how we do. Now, our full intention here is to grow this into a good income. Now, I know people that have been on Clickbank for a long time that have never made a single sale. So now at this point, this is the first time we've ever done anything with Clickbank. We're 40 days in. We've made $103 and we're making sales. We're getting clicks. So we're looking good. I know people that don't even get clicks to their site, but they stick with it, trying to push people to go into their link. So this is a surefire way to get that. And then you're going to build this into a passive income. So that's what we're working on. Let's jump over to our marketplace real quick. And we're going to go take a look at that next offer. It's going to be right in here, e-business and e-marketing. So we're done with this one. We've already ran 20 days. We actually didn't make any sales with this one, which I was a little bit surprised. But then we ran this promo, and this is what we made 6 sales on. So this one did really well for us, considering. And now we're going to jump into this next one. So average conversions a little bit higher for this one. There's not as many people making money with this. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, but we are definitely going to find out. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to jump in here to the affiliate page. As always, we'll go in there and see what's available to us. Now, if you want to promote this through these other ways, go for it. You know, nothing's stopping you. You can come in here and they've got everything in here so that you can promote social media or texting ads or banner ads, anything you want to do, it's all in here. Now, we've chosen, for the sake of this series, just to run email ads on MLGS, and we've had pretty good luck with it. And we do that using their email swipes. Now, I have not been modifying these email swipes at all. I've just been running exactly what's in the system, how they were meant to be sent. Now, if I went through them and rewrote some of them, would they do better? They may. So if you're a copywriter and you want to do some copywriting, you can get in there and you can modify those to however you think they fit. But for the sake of this series, we just wanted to use strictly copy and paste and see if we can make any money. And we've proven that we can make some money, okay? Now, I have not had time yet to go and convert this into my Google Docs. I will be doing that, so I'll have all 20 of these ready to go in a Google Doc below this video, along with the link for MLGS. Now, as far as Clickbank, you just go to Clickbank, you create your account. I show that all the way back in video 1, and then I show you how to daisy chain MLGS accounts if you want more than one, which I highly recommend. I run 5 for any system I'm running. So I highly recommend that you do that and watch the process to get those daisy chains so that you get the extra leads and then you get the commission. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to come in here and I'm just going to copy this. Let's see. I'm going to copy the whole thing. Let me just, okay, let's do this since I don't have these copied yet. It's going to jump right into my first account and make sure I can send almost. So 1 minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them right from the page in, if I can find it again. There we go. I'm going to send them right from here, and I'll just make the changes inside MLGS, which will be easy enough. So I'll just copy. First, I'll grab the subject line, and then I will, you know what we can do? I can just grab the whole thing, and I can delete what I don't need. That's what we'll do. But I did have to wait. So it counts down right here when we're sending these because you have to wait 23 hours to send out your next batch. So every day. So I'm like 10 seconds away. So we'll just go ahead and I'm going to give it 10 seconds. And then we're going to jump into this next promo. And we'll see how much we can get from that. Okay, so there we go. We are reset. So select all. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to go ahead and grab my subject line with Control C. And then I can pop that in here. So that way that's done. And I'm just going to grab everything here. To pre-header. I'm going to come over here into MLGS and I'm going to highlight and Control V. So now what I'll do, I'll just get rid of that. Get rid of that. And adjust right there. Oops. I'm going to bold there. And we'll go ahead and use that pre-header today. So first name, you're going to highlight, Control C, and then Control V, comma, right there. And we're gonna have to read through this because this has not been proofread yet. So we're just gonna browse it real quick. Let's see. There's where our link's gonna go the first time. Here's where our link's gonna go the second time. Just running through it real quick. It looks pretty good to me. And down here, just like the others, we're gonna grab our ID from Clickbank. And then I'm going to highlight all of it. Control C. I'm going to throw my link in here where they've already got it set for me. Okay, that one's done. And then we're going to put it right here. Where's the other spot they have for us? Control V, right there. Perfect timing. Now let's go ahead and they've already got them bold, so that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring the size up a little bit. And we'll get rid of this. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's see. We'll read through it right quick. Become a remote beginner paid emailer. Hey, look, we're already doing that. $40 per hour, regular work. Hi, first name. Have you ever written short email messages before? We need to talk if you have that skill set. We're currently looking for new beginner paid remote workers who want to start work right away. All employers hiring through our company are looking for people with no previous experience but are willing to learn. These are remote positions, meaning that as long as you can work the required hours, you can work from home. Click here to complete your application if interested, and we'll get a preview and we'll check those. In this position, you will be assigned tasks related to sending promotional email messages about various products and services. You must write in clear English with no errors and provide consistency so we can rely on you to produce many weekly messages. The rate we offer varies depending on what kind of assignments or assignments you'll take. Still, generally speaking, it ranges between $40 and $80 per hour, depending on what services they entail and your level of expertise. Interested? There's our link. Check out this page before completing an application to get everything important. Best of luck. Your name. So we come in here and we can hit preview. And now we can go and we can actually click and make sure our link is working. There it is. So they can read through, they'll read through the job description and see if this is something that they can do. And then they'll click here to apply, which I am not going to do because I don't want to apply. And this will be the same here. So there you go. Paid online writing job to get paid to write email, $3.20 per day. So that is what we are advertising out. And there's what our email is going to look like when it comes out. All right. We've got our pre-header. We've got our hi first name. So hi Bob or hi Sue or Steve or whatever their name is. And then it goes. So now we are ready to send this. And now from here, it gets pretty fast because all we do is copy and paste. All right. So we're going to highlight our email because I always like to start with the email. So Control C. You know what I want to do? Let me throw this subject line over on a Google Doc so I can just go back and forth there. That's easier. All right, so I'm going to grab the email, Control C, and then send it. And this will go just like all the other videos, all the other times we've done this. We're just going to right click on the tab. We're going to duplicate, going to go to our next account, which is going to be number 2. mailing system, and let's see on this one. Yeah, we're good. All right, so I'm going to highlight, Control V, perfect timing. I'm going to come up to my subject, and I'm going to go grab my subject from my Google Doc that I just copied over. So I don't have to switch tabs because that's easy that way. And that's the key. We want this to be easy. This is something that anybody can do real quick. Whoops, we better select our leads. Select all. All right, anybody can do, you can do it real quick. You can do it within 10 minutes. So even if you're going to work in the morning, this is something you could just have on your agenda to get up, do this real quick every single day, and then go about your day. And you're making money on the side. So, you know, it doesn't take a lot of time to copy and paste. Copy and paste is quick. And if you only got a couple accounts, it's even that much faster, right? So select all, we'll go down. Control V, perfect timing. We're going to go up to our subject, and I'm going to grab Control C, Control V. I'm going to grab this email with Control C, and then I'm going to send it. So when people talk about affiliate marketing and they say they don't have time, I mean, who doesn't have time to do this? I mean, it's simple. It takes no time at all, right? I'm sure some of you watching this have probably said that, or maybe you've heard that. Now, depending on what you're doing and how much time you put into it, it does kind of dictate how much time you need to spend, and it also dictates, excuse me, how much money you can make doing this, right? But if you are just looking for something real quick on the side to just get started and get some passive income started, I mean, this is simple, and it takes no time at all to do. So we're already on our last account in here. Clickbank 5. Mailing system, select all, going to come down. There it is, perfect timing. Come up to our subject. Control C, Control V. Now, you see how fast this can go. You know, someone could easily get up in the morning and with their cup of coffee, just come in here and send 5 emails. And before you know it, you're sending it out to 100,000 people. Now, like I was saying before on the channel, all of these series, we run the same way. So we run 5 accounts on each of these promotions that we run, because it does bring in tons of people into your website where you're getting them. It just brings people after people, and it's automatic, right? It's either 100 or 200 a day, depending on if you're getting the bonus or not. I suggest you do everything you can to get that bonus, because it really helps a bunch. So at least open 2 accounts. Open the first one, there's a link below, and then you open the second one off of your own, which I show in video number 1, how to set that up. And then I also show it down here in this series, how to get that all set up. So this series, how to earn fast money, or how to earn fast and easy money, excuse me. This will show you exactly how to set up running this business from start, and we're going to go all the way start to finish. So following these instructions that we're putting out here, you'll be able to go daily and get this set up. Once it's set up, it'll be pretty low key, pretty easy to manage. And this is already paying out. People are going to make money with this without even making any sales the way it's set up. So anyway, all right, guys. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, please, if you have not. And if you get any value out of this video, please leave me a like on it. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.